Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And when you gotta go, you gotta go. Whether you're camping, you're on a road trip, those are all situations I've found myself in. But now that I have this dry flush toilet from Modiwell, I don't have to worry about where I'm gonna go. Not only is this highly portable, but it's rechargeable, so it's perfect for the off-grid situation that we have in our warehouse. Now, as a tip for installation on the bags, you're going to want to make sure you follow the manufacturer's instructions very carefully and gently pull the bag up when you scrunch it and then push it back into the disposal area. When you use the guide to push the bag into the rollers, again, be very gentle and make sure that as it feeds, all sides of the bag are feeding at the same time. Another tip is to not press the start button until you're done using the bathroom because it's actually going to start feeding once you press that. But then it'll take 90 to 100 seconds to go through the thermal waste seal process. And then once it drops through that chute onto the floor, you're going to notice that it is completely sealed. So this is totally odor-free. Once the bag is completely sealed, you're going to dispose of it as you would a diaper. And I got to tell you, we had a few of these in our trash through like 80, 90-degree days, and there was zero odor. This toilet is comfortable to sit on and can support up to 350 pounds. It's also very light, only 17 pounds, and it easily moves around. And even though the support legs seem small, they're very sturdy, and I don't feel uncomfortable like it's moving around at all. This Modiwell toilet has been a total game changer for us. We cannot be more pleased with it. I think that you are going to love it as much as we have, and that's my point of view.